Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you and tell you how to add a friend in WhatsApp on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to WhatsApp. Then open Chats. In the top right corner, click plus. Choose New Contact here. After that, choose region of your country. Write phone number. And after that, on top, we write name of person. After that, click Save. Now here we can send a person or invite a friend to WhatsApp. Or we can, if he already has our WhatsApp account, we can send him a message. You can have a video call, chat, and just a regular call. That's how easy it can easily add a friend in WhatsApp. If you helped and liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much for watching. See you later. Goodbye.